Is it recording? Yep. Ooh, this is going to be hard. I don't think I can do this actually. Because
Daddy.
I can't do this. How the heck are you gonna hold those waters? Oh, great. How are we gonna do this? Oh, great. I didn't even think about that. How are we gonna do this?
Here, I'll hold it.
No, yeah, you got enough hands. Would you stop?
How are you gonna do it?
I'll just hold it in front like that.
Right.
Why are we not getting any oomph? I mean. Whoa. Go down our road, shaded. Bumpy down. Oh my word. Whoa. This road really more choppy?
Oh, we're going fast.
Dang. This road sucks. Especially right by us. What terrible shape is it in?
We should turn now. We might get slower. When we get up to that turn, we're going to turn.
This town?
I don't want to crash into that truck.
Are we having fun yet?
Yeah. Wish he had to turn. You're good turn.
A little bit farther. This is acting like it's not keeping much of a charge though, which would make sense. What? No way. Oh, you piece of garbage. No, oh, you hit your foot on the side as usual, just like you did the last time, Preston. Oh, what the hell's going on here? Why did it just stop? Oh, this thing sucks. Oh, this is just great. Oh, what a piece of crap. Or did it, wait, did you bump your foot on the reset button? That's what happened the last time. Yeah, you bump. Watch where you put your feet, Preston. Keep on the scooter. Why are you riding on the ground?
Because I'm holding two.
Well, I'm hanging on to the camera. I'm hanging on to you. Hanging on to the outlet. Oh, don't put your foot on the side of the thing. It knocks the power out.